Also, I've had many people come to me and say, I'm very passionate about this one product, but I notice it does have some of the same ingredients. Can I still take it? And if so, what product should you take first, and how long between the two should I wait?
Well, I always tell people, especially if they've been on several other nutritionals and they're getting started on our products, I'm a firm believer in that you have to give your body time. We are not supplements, we are activators. It's going to take time for the effects to happen within those cells as the balance in those cells is changing. All right. So, for instance, if they're on, let's say they're taking turmeric or whatever. I hate to waste things. I don't want to waste somebody's money. I don't want them to just chuck their products. So, what I'll tell them is continue taking what you're taking, but I need you to separate them out by at least 2 to 3 hours. Because back to the grandma recipe thing, if you're taking 2,000 milligrams of turmeric and you take that along with NRF2 Protandim, now as that goes into the system isn't seeing that pill by itself with that 200 milligrams of turmeric. It's now seeing that plus 2,000, and it's no longer grandma's perfect recipe. It's grandma's perfect recipe with 17 cups of flour in it instead of two. All right. So hopefully that'll give you a better idea. And then what you do is you start weaning down from those products because it's, you know what, we've been able to state we reduce oxidative stress. That's the trash buildup in a cell by 40% in 30 days. All right. And it's by about 70% in 90 days. So over that time frame, all these bits and pieces of other things are going to start coming out of the body before you get the true optimization of how these products are going to work. And as a result of it, when you're taking these extra things, you're going to start weaning yourself down from all those extra things because, frankly, you don't need them and they're going to get in the way of the activation of the NRF2 because those things are shoving pathways in a supplement form. Okay.